Working with Trintech honestly is amazing. I joined RWS in 2023, and I must say that working with Trintech has been so easy. When you join a new company, you're like scared that you're going to be using new systems, but using Trintech is so easy. The user face is user-friendly. Also, I've worked with different staff, junior accountants, senior accountants, and also we have a shared services across 3 different regions. It means I'm working with different people, and everyone finds it easy to use. I would say Trintech softwares, Adra Matcher, Adra Balancer, and Adra Task Manager. Those are the 3 major suites that we use. And I must say that they're very easy to use. We've been able to adapt and just lift and shift all of our tasks from the UK and the US into our shared services through the enablement of Trintech.